Math 1 EOC Practice Test Number 6. The triangles QTP and SPT are shown. Ray MR is the perpendicular bisector of line segment PT and intersects line segment PT at point M. Alright, so MR is the perpendicular bisector of line PT. So here's MR. And it's a perpendicular bisector of PT at point M. So that means this segment and this segment are congruent. Definition of perpendicular bisector. All right, which transformation would indicate that triangle QTP is congruent to SPT? All right, so horizontal translation, the length of PR. So PR means we're just going to slide it that way because of horizontal translation, that's what it means. We're just going to take the image and move it that far. All right, a translation of PT, so take this and slide it over here. We're still going to have the same shape, it's just going to be in a different location. So that's not going to be it. All right, a reflection over QT. All right, here's QT. If I reflect across that line, that means P is going to come up here somewhere. So I'm still going to have a triangle, but it's just going to be in a different position. That's not going to help me either. All right, the last one says a reflection over ray MR. So here's our ray. All right, if we reflect it over this line, that means that P would reflect over to T. And then Q reflected across this line would come to S. And then the last one, T would reflect over, these are the same distance, perpendicular bisector, T would become to P. So this is the only one that would make this work. So reflection over ray MR would show that triangle QTP is congruent to SPT. So your answer for number 6 is S.